Have you ever wondered how to make $100 online? In this digital age, there's a growing fascination with the idea of making money from the comfort of your own home. It might appear to be a daunting task, yet it's not as impossible as it might seem. With the right resources and a dash of determination, there are legitimate, accessible methods to achieve this. From freelancing to online surveys, the internet is brimming with opportunities. Stay tuned as we unravel how to make a quick $100 online. One of the easiest ways to make money online is through freelancing. Freelancing is a concept that is as simple as it is powerful. It's all about offering your skills and services to those who need them on your own terms. You're not an employee, you're a one-person business, and the internet is your marketplace. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have made it easier than ever to connect with potential clients. These platforms are teeming with people looking for skills ranging from graphic design to programming to writing and so much more. Setting up a profile on these platforms is straightforward. You list your skills, your experience, and perhaps examples of your work. Then, you start looking for gigs that match what you offer. It might take some time to land your first gig, but don't be discouraged. Persistence pays off. Remember, your skills are your product, so offer a service you're good at and start earning. Another simple way to earn money online is through online surveys and testing websites. You see, market research companies are always on the lookout for consumer opinions on their products and services. They value your feedback and are willing to pay for it. That's where online surveys come in. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie are platforms that connect you to these companies. You take the survey, share your thoughts, and voila, you get paid. But maybe surveys aren't your thing. No problem. You can also earn by testing websites and apps. Platforms like User Testing allow you to do just that. As a tester, you'll be asked to navigate a website or an app, complete some tasks, and then provide feedback. It's as simple as that. And the best part? You get paid for your time and your insights. So what are you waiting for? Participate in surveys or test websites and watch your earnings grow. So, making $100 online isn't as daunting as it may seem. We've explored the potential of freelancing, using your unique skills to provide services to clients worldwide. We've also dived into the world of online surveys and website testing, simple tasks that can provide a steady stream of income. By leveraging these opportunities, you can generate income from the comfort of your home. With these methods, making an extra $100 online is just a few clicks away. Start your journey today.